to appear on TV today? By the way, is the Professor and Rockbottom still looking for gold? So, still out in the wilds. Well, well.
No gold. Same here, only stones.
Howdy, stranger. Looking for something?
Yeah, gold, but there ain't none.
There's plenty of gold. Sombrero Mountain is full of gold. And I have a secret map of just where it is. Bye now.
The map. Some map. We start digging there. And that's the gold.
Okay, Vavoom. Camera's rolling. Well, folks, I'm Felix the Cat, your roving TV reporter. Today, I want you to meet Vavoom. His power is in his voice. Listen.
Vavoom!
Am I right? Vavoom runs a lumber company and builds roads all by himself. Follow us, and we'll show you Vavoom in action.
Vavoom! Vavoom! Vavoom!
You've just seen Vavoom harvest his lumber. And now the logs rush down the stream to the sawmill.
Look at me pickaxe. They're worthless in hard rock. But what about the gold vein?
Vavoom!
What was that? That was Vavoom. Remember him? Yeah, the loudmouth brat. Right, and he will get our gold for us. Shh, here they come. You get Vavoom.
Hey!
One Vavoom out of you, Vavoom, and we throw Felix in the river.
Hey, what do you want?
We need your friend Vavoom to blast out rocks. Yeah, we got a gold mine.
You probably stole it.
That we did. We're lucky. Ups-a-daisy. Hey, you're riding high. Ho, 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 ho. Hold this while I check the gold map. We start digging here, and the gold is there. Start blasting a tunnel to the gold vein. Get busy, big mouth. Vavoom! 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 This is like cutting through butter. Vavoom! I've got to see about that gold.
Hey, careful! Now to get my portable television camera. Ah, still running. This is Felix, your roving television reporter. The crooks still hold Vavoom.
Vavoom! Vavoom! Hey! Hey! I'm outside with no gold. Stupid! You missed the gold vein. Now blast the tunnel wider.
Come on, Voomy. Blast away. Vavoom! 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 Vavoom!
Hear that? He's coming this way.
Boss, we missed the gold again.
That map fooled him. I'd better get ready. Who dug that tunnel on my land?
Your land?
Yes, my land!
He did all of it.
Did you make the tunnel? As president of the railroad, I pay you for making a tunnel for our trains.
He tricked us into digging that tunnel. Oh.
What's the use?
And so, folks, you have met little Vavoom with the big Zoomar voice. A leprechaun.
From King Barney, King of the Leprechauns.
Dear Felix, join me at the fairy ring for a spot of tea. Signed, Barney. Well, here I am at the fairy ring, but where is King Barney?
Top of the morning to you, Felix, me boy.
You're King Barney?
Right, and ruler of the leprechauns.
How's everything?
I think something'll be happening soon.
You mean the Professor and Rockbottom?
Yes. They're now living in the old Kerry Castle. It's forbidden grounds for the leprechauns.
Hey, boss, what you looking for?
Rock, I found it. Come here. An old leprechaun law, forgotten today, but still a law, is if one can capture the king of the leprechauns, he must grant his captor or captors 3 wishes each. And Eureka, we're in business.
With 3 wishes each, we can own the world.
And so I would like for you to investigate.
I'll do it.
And may Irish luck go with you.
Now for the castle.
If you want to get everything, take 3 wishes on a king.
Shut up and let's find one.
They're up to something.
Now to find a leprechaun king. Shh, boss, there's a couple playing checkers. Easy, boss. Maybe one of them is a king.
This is where I move in.
Okay, boss. Get ready. Set. Wow, 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 yeah. Wow, 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 yeah.
Got them.
Hey, that's ours. We caught it.
Your fishing season is closed as of now. Now get out of here, fast.
Thank ye, lad, for the timely rescue.
Pack up your poles. You're traveling to jail. Hey, cut that out.
Hey, boss, we've got a bite. It's a sucker.
Now, I wonder how Felix is getting along investigating them crooks up in Kerry Castle. Well, he's not in sight. So, I'll wait.
Ho, ho! This is a laugh.
Why are you trying to capture leprechauns?
We're only looking for their king.
You mean King Barney?
That's right. When we capture him, we each get 3 wishes.
It's an old law. We'll be wealthy.
I forbid you.
Rock, put him in orbit.
Help!
Felix! Leprechauns, attention! Save Felix at all costs. It's all my fault.
Boss, our search is ended.
Ah, the king.
Don't frighten them.
Water, he's fallen. Save him.
Ready, get set, go. Well, Your Royal Highness. Now we each get 3 wishes, Your Majesty.
For what?
For capturing the king of the leprechauns, which is you.
And your law.
'Tis sad but true. Make your wishes. There. Now make your wishes, and I'll grant them all.
I wish for a yacht.
Make mine an ocean liner.
A plane, $1,000,000 in gold.
And my wish is for 5 million.
I'm dreaming.
I'm a wealthy millionaire.
You crooks! You'll give back every penny!
Oh, no, Felix. I wish you were out of this world.
I double that wish.
Hooray! You've made a 4th wish. Look, and because of that, you lose all your wishes. It's the leprechaun law.
Our wealth, it's gone.
Just my luck. That sign probably says, no fishing. Danger. Sea monster. Huh? Sea monster? Phooey. Somebody's just trying to scare me. Ah, this looks like a good spot. I got one. Boy, what a fish I've got this time. Now what? Huh? A boot. Huh? It's the sea monster! Help! I'm getting out of here! Something's wrong. I'm not moving. I better roll. There's no water. What happened? So that's it. No wonder. You drank it all. Oh, no! Hey, no! Don't eat my outboard motor! Huh? Danger? Sea monster? That's a laugh! Oh, James! Oh, boy! This sure is a beautiful day for fishing. Something's out there. With a 1 and a 2 and 3. Gotcha! Wow! I've got something! Something big! Gee, that's been in the water a long time. Something like someone's inside. Why, the poor guy, he could suffocate in there. Boop. Wow, who are you?
I'm a genie, and you're a chump.
Ya chump? Why, I just let you out of the bottle.
Well, thanks for that. But don't you know that anyone who lets a bad genie out of his bottle has got to take his place?
You? You are a bad genie?
Bad? Oh, brother, I'm the worst. That's why I was put in the bottle. So, into the bottle, chump.
Yow! Bottles, genies, I'm getting lost in a hurry.
What must be, must be. There's the little rascal. When I say in, I mean in. No good this way.
Cut this out.
So we try like, what goes up must come down and into the bottle.
Yow!
Come on, I'm waiting. Swell. Hey, come back. Gotcha. No, you're cheating. Oh, fooled you. Chump, chump, chump. Now we gotta hurry because you're going away out and down, down, down to the bottom of the sea. Bye, bye, bye. Dear Diary, Felix didn't know I was a genie and let me out of the bottle. Then he learned that anyone freeing a genie has got to take his place. Well, I bottled him, and right about now, he should be at the bottom of the ocean. makes me drowsy. Oh,
So, Genie, we meet again.
Oh, no, I'm dreaming. You're at the bottom of the ocean. Here, stick this pin in me and see if I'm awake.
I will not. That'll hurt you.
Please, I gotta know if I'm dreaming.
Okay, then.
Gee, thanks. Oh, ouch!
Now he knows I'm for real, so I'm getting out.
Aw, he's gone. So, come on, get in the bottle, quick. Come, in the bottle.
Uh-oh. A lobster hatchery. Gee, look at him.
Stop!
Up and over.
Oops.
Look out for the lobsters.
Help!
Come here, I'll help you.
Help!
Will you go back in the bottle if I pull off the lobsters?
Yeah, I promise.
Hold still.
Ouch! Ooh, ouch! Ooh, ouch!
Okay, there's the bottle.
You think I'm crazy, huh? Nothing doing.
You're going in for good. Now get.
Take him away! I'll go back! It's so safe in here. Home again.